So today we are going to ask AI some metal detecting questions. And we're going to see how it does. Now, I don't claim to be the best metal detectorist in the world, but I got more than 10 years of experience now. I own 20 detectors, and I could tell if the answer is pure nonsense or if it's right on. Now, maybe I should ask ChatGPT this question, but I asked Google, how does ChatGPT work? The answer is ChatGPT is a transformer-based neural network that provides answers and data with human writing patterns. The AI has been programmed with endless amounts of text data. I speak two languages, English and nonsense. What they're trying to say is endless text data, that's the internet. Basically, everything that has ever been written and is publicly accessible on the internet, ChatGPT is scouring to understand context, relevancy, and how to generate human-like responses to questions. Do you remember Ask Jeeves? Well, Jeeves is dead. This is his son that's a lot smarter. Well, let's test out AI. Let's see what it knows about metal detectors. So I'm going to ask, what are the 10 best metal detectors available in 2023? And it seems I have to put this in quotation marks. Let's see how that goes. Okay, this should be fun. That's like a disclaimer. When choosing a metal detector, it's important to consider factors such as the intended use, beachcombing, relic hunting. Ooh, look at that number one answer. That was my number one for years. Ooh, I don't know about Garrett AT Pro. XP Deus, they are forgetting about Deus too. I don't see the Manticore there. Fisher F22. Nocto Macro Simplex, okay. Vanquish 540, okay. Whites is out of business. Tesoro is out of business. Oh, the Ace, dear God. And Bounty Hunter, oh boy. Welcome to the age of plagiarism. Welcome to the age of misinformation. No, we're already in the age of misinformation. This is the age of misinformation renaissance. Listen, that first point, plagiarism. I'm a teacher. I'm glad that I'm about to exit the profession because the next generation is going to forget how to write, with the exception of asking this thing questions. 2, that's a blog post. That is a ready-made blog post. And if anything, this is a rapid fire content creation economy. I started on YouTube in 2008, and it is a wildly different place now. Viral is a freak occurrence nowadays. There are so many more people uploading, blogging, creating short format videos, long format videos. It's a heck of a lot more competitive. One of my favorite channels is Gigmaster, and I've been watching Steve forever. Look at this. So it took over 2,000 videos, and by the way, congratulations. It took over 2,000 videos for Gigmaster to get a 1 million view video. He finally did it. Well, bro, slow down. What exactly is your point? What are you getting at? My point is the misinformation is going to be fast and furious from this point on because the content is auto-generated by the computer by asking a question. All right, let's see if my rant came too early. Let's see if there's some value in this. Let's ask, what are the 10 best strategies for beach metal detecting? All right, let's do quick responses to these one at a time. Here is number 1. All right, let's see what it says. Research the history of the area you plan to search. Look for information about any shipwrecks or other historical events that might have taken place. Um, that's like what a politician would say about metal detecting. Like, make sure that your research, I think even a beginner would know that. I'm going to say no for helpfulness on that. Check tide charts and plan your search accordingly. Low tide is the best time to search as it exposes more of the beach. I've written a book about this. Yeah, you need to know that. This is basic beach metal detecting. No surprises so far. Choose the right detector for beach hunting. A detector with a high frequency and waterproof coil is ideal for beach hunting. That's like generations ago. We're in the simultaneous multi-frequency age. Yes, that's helped tremendously, and especially with beach hunting. We have submersible detectors. You don't need to think in terms of just the coil now. You want the entire thing to get wet. It's like spitting out information that is grammatically correct. But you know what? I got the right analogy for this. This is like feeding us Zinkins and Clad, okay? We're treasure hunters, and knowledge is treasure. We're getting Zinkins and Clad, and more Zinkins than Clad. Use a sand scoop. Oh, geez. Thank you, master of the obvious. This is actually nothing new. Jeeves did this. Jeeves just gave you hyperlinks. The only difference is this writes it in essay form. It perhaps takes multiple sources and merges them together in essay form. That's easy content to put out. Let's look at the rest of this beginner stuff. Walk slowly and methodically. Yes, that could be helpful. Overlapping your search pattern. Okay, that can help. Oh my God, look at number 8. This is no kidding. This is like Don't Bite Your Friends. There was a show, Yo Gabba Gabba, that had a song, Don't Bite Your Friends. I'm going to link it up here just so you know what I'm talking about. Let me read this. Be respectful of other beachgoers. Yeah, no kidding. Don't metal detect in crowded areas or near sunbathers. Yeah, no kidding. Back in the day, people used to say 500 channels, nothing on. We're in the trillions of channels if you count the internet. If you count all sources of media out there, it is about to blow up with misinformation, with fluff information. Wow, be warned right now. Always fill any holes you dig. You know what? Barry covers that. Like on this channel, Barry covers that. And, for the most part, we all cover our holes. And the last one, bring plenty of water and sunscreen. Thank you, Mr. Rogers. Long story short, be prepared for a lot of fluff to come, because what ChatGPT does extremely well is give content creators content. And most of us, the content creation is our second job. My primary job is a teacher. But others can say, all right, you know what? I need to go viral, and viral can really grow your channel really fast. I need to go viral. I need rapid content. You can automate this. You can create content just from, you could have somebody read for you. There's voices that you put text in and you have voices. Like, listen to this.
Meryl's not kidding. AI is some scary shit.
See, I told you. Let's do one more. What are the 5 best places to metal detect in New York City?
Oh, I could hardly wait to read this. Shit.
Me too, AI girl. Me too.
Oh, look at number 1. AI is trying to get humans arrested.
Yep, that one is illegal.
Well, we take over after you die. Didn't you see Terminator?
Yep, I saw it, and now I am experiencing it.
Well, John Connor is bullshit. So you're screwed.
Yeah, I couldn't agree more, but let's go to the videotape.
Okay, Central Park, Battery Park, and Brooklyn Bridge Park. Yeah, you can't really metal detect there. Fort Totten Park, I grew up right down the street, never hunted there. And Coney Island Beach, I've got a million videos there. Yeah, that's a great spot.
And the point of this video, everybody is raving, absolutely raving about ChatGPT. I don't think it has any applications with metal detecting or learning about metal detecting. I really don't see the difference between Ask Jeeves and ChatGPT answers, with the exception that Ask Jeeves will give you hyperlinks and this will give you an essay. And that's kind of dangerous because it makes it so easy for people to post misinformation. Be prepared for a fog of misinformation out there. It's going to be interesting. It always is. But treasure is what we know and what we find. And we just really have to be wise to truly be able to understand what is gold plated and what is gold, because this is a gilded age